How to buy a Booger token. Now, before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also, there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money or some crypto with the best referral code. Simply as goes below. Find your account, enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. Now, as you can see, this token is available on the explainer. To be able to buy this token, but before that, this token, as you can see, trending number 4 on Solana section right now. To be able to buy this token, it's easy and simple. Just copy the token as is from here and go and open your Phantom wallet. For that, click here on swap and make sure that you have enough Solana on your wallet. Now click here and paste the token address. So as you can see, this is our token. Click on it and here type how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to say how much you receive, as you can see. Now here select the provider, for example Jupiter, and make sure to read all of that information here and click on swap. So after that, you will be able to redact to the Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. So if you face an issue, go back to this page and switch the slippage from here, as you can see, or custom it, because most of issues came from the slippage, and after that you can be able to buy this token without issue. So this is how to buy Booger token or Booger token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.